Hi everyone, this is Dina, and today let's take a look at the Tamron 17 to 70 mm mirrorless lens. This lens is perfect for capturing stunning landscapes, street and portrait shots. It has a vibration compensation feature that helps reduce camera shake and blur, and a moisture-resistant construction that makes it perfect for outdoor photography. It also has a fluorine coating that helps protect the lens from dust, dirt and fingerprints, and a B-bar coating that helps reduce ghosting and flare. If you're looking for a lens that can help you capture stunning shots, then the Tamron mirrorless camera is the perfect choice for you. Go check it out now.
Guys, if you're in the market for a new camera, there are several things to consider before making the purchase. Here is a buying guide to help you choose the right kind of camera for your needs. Here are some of the most common types of cameras. Instant cameras, ideal for capturing instant memories and producing physical prints. Action cameras, best for outdoor enthusiasts and extreme sports, capturing hands-free footage. Point and shoot digital cameras, easy to use and portable, perfect for everyday photography. DSLR cameras, best for professional photographers, providing advanced manual controls and interchangeable lenses. Mirrorless cameras, a newer type of camera that provides the quality of DSLRs in a smaller and lighter body. Bullet cameras, best for outdoor surveillance, providing high-quality video and images with wide-angle lenses and night vision. In addition to the camera, there are several types of lenses available as well, each with its own specific use and benefits. Here are some of the most common types of camera lenses. Standard lenses, also known as normal lenses, these lenses have a focal length of around 50 mm and are suitable for everyday photography. They offer a natural perspective that is similar to what the human eye sees. Wide-angle lens. These lenses have a shorter focal length, typically between 10 to 35 mm, and are ideal for capturing wide landscapes or fitting more into a frame. Telephoto lenses. These lenses have a longer focal length, typically between 70 to 300 mm, and are great for capturing subjects from a distance, such as wildlife or sports photography. Macro lenses. These lenses are designed for close-up photography and allow you to capture small subjects with great detail. They typically have a magnification ratio of 1:1 or greater. Zoom lenses. Zoom lenses have a variable focal length, allowing you to zoom in and out without having to switch lenses. They are versatile and can be used for a wide range of photography styles. When choosing a camera lens, it is important to consider the focal length, aperture, and image stabilization. Additionally, you should think about the specific type of photography that you want to pursue and choose a lens that is suitable for your needs. Guys, I sure hope you found this guide helpful. Happy photography!